Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a review of P&S Brake Buster. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be doing a review of the P&S Brake Buster. As you can see, I got a full gallon of this stuff. I have not used it. I've seen a lot of great reviews on it. So it has got my interest. For the price of this, it's right around 20 bucks for a gallon. You can find it. It's on sale at some places. But I've seen, like I said, I've seen a lot of great reviews on it, and it says that this is a wheel and tire cleaner. For me personally, that's what I have been looking for, is something that I can clean the wheels and the tires with just one chemical, rather than using a wheel cleaner and then a tire and rubber cleaner. So we will be testing this out on the wheels and the tires, and just doing a full review of it on the wheels. I will show the tools that I'll be using to clean the wheels and the tires, and then down in the video description down below I will put links to everything that I'm using. So if you see something that you would like, definitely head over to that link, check it out, but go ahead and wait till after the video to do that. So like I said, this P&S Brake Buster, they say that it cleans and brightens premium quality wheels, cleans both tires and wheels, and it's safe and effective non-acid cleaner. So it definitely has my interest. I know the P&S bead maker, lots of people rave about. I have not tried that. I would like to, but I just have not yet. So I did get a P&S product. So on the back here, let's just go over the Brake Buster, what they talk about, and then the directions for using this product. Brake Buster Total Wheel Cleaner is a perfect solution for cleaning both rims and tires. Brake Buster safely removes accumulated brake dust, oil, dirt, stains, and light corrosion from premium quality wheels without damaging the delicate surface. Brake Buster's unique cleaner that adheres to the wheel and tire surface to penetrate the dirt deposits, cleaning them away. Brake Buster prepares tires for dressings and deposits a thin layer of special corrosion inhibitor to protect the wheels from future corrosion. So that is one thing that definitely has my interest, is that it is putting an anti-corrosion layer on your wheels. It's also going to be on your rotors. I'm really curious about that, so we're going to check that out. I do have harder water. By the time I'm normally done washing, the rotors already have some, like, you know, that real light orange surface rust on them. Of course, it goes away. It doesn't harm anything. But I'm curious to see if this prevents it, because it says that it has the inhibitors in it. So that definitely has my interest. The directions for use on this, it says, always apply to a cool wheel surface when possible. Apply a generous amount of Brake Buster Total Wheel Cleaner to the rim and tire surface. Allow to sit for 1 minute or greater. Scrub with brush if necessary. Rinse with pressure washer or high pressure hose. So very straightforward, easy to use. Kind of like what I was expecting out of this product. Straightforward, easy to use. Like I said, I will show you the brushes that we'll be using. I will actually show you my phone. We'll set a timer. Luckily, it is very cool today, and it is overcast, so we can let it sit on there for a minute or even longer, probably without it drying. So we will definitely do that. I'm going to take you guys out. We'll be cleaning the wheels on the Charger. I'm going to show you how dirty they are, how dirty the tires are, and show you guys that stuff. So one thing that I'm going to mention now is I bought the gallon. I did not get a 16-ounce bottle of the Brake Buster, so I have an empty Griot's Garage bottle. I really like their sprayer, so I have this empty bottle. It is labeled P&S Brake Buster. I have this funnel on top. I will also link that for you in the video description. It just makes it a little bit handier and easier filling this up. But this was the bottle that we'll be using, filling it up to apply the Brake Buster onto the wheels to clean the surfaces. So the tools that I'll be using to clean the wheels first is just this really nice soft red bristle brush for the face of the wheels, followed up with another wheel brush. You guys have seen these before for getting into the barrels, behind the spokes, and in between the spokes as well. And then I also have a very stiff bristle brush, and I will be using this on the tires. So now that we see the tools that are going to be used in the P&S Brake Buster, let's go ahead and head out there, check out the wheels, see how dirty they are, and the tires. So let's go take a look. So here are the wheels and tires. Hopefully this wind noise is not bad, but as you can see, the tires do have that brown buildup on them. The wheels are very dirty, as you can see there. We'll get down here. So you can see the wheels are extremely dirty. Let's take a walk around. I'll show you all the wheels and tires. We'll get set up and we will start washing with this stuff.
So I'll be working on this front driver's side wheel first. I have a bucket with my brushes and just clean water in it. And then of course the P&S Brake Buster. We're gonna go ahead and rinse this wheel down and then we will go ahead and see how this works. So I'm just going to spray everything down pretty heavy. You want to get good saturation with the Brake Buster. And I will say that does not smell bad at all. Not like some of your heavy acid wheel cleaners. I want to bring you in. So we've just now got that applied. I'm going to go ahead and start a timer. We'll let that sit for a minute, but look what it's already pulling off this wheel. This stuff is already pulling a lot off the tire. I'm super impressed with that. We'll let it sit on there and dwell for a minute and then we will start scrubbing it down. I really like the cleaning power of this. As you can tell, it is clinging very good to the wheel. Everything is just completely covered in it. It's not running off super easy. So we'll let this timer go. We are 28 seconds in and we'll speed it up. Okay, so here we are, a minute in, timer's still going. Like I said, it is a cool, cloudy, overcast day, but it is not drying on me. Still clinging and hanging in there very well. So we are basically, we're gonna be at a minute and a half. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down, get the brushes out and start scrubbing. I'm gonna go in with this brush first. I am gonna spray just a little bit in it, basically prime the brush up. Followed up with the red bristle brush. Now we'll come in with the blue tire brush. I'm actually going to prime the brush up just a bit. Okay, as you can see, this stuff foams up super good. I'm really happy with the foam. I need to get this rinsed down, but look how nasty that tire is. Let me go ahead and get it rinsed off. Okay, we've got it all rinsed off now. Now let's get it dry and see how the stuff has worked. I'm just gonna be using a leaf blower, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off. Oh man. Let me get you guys off the tripod here, bring you in for a closer look. But I'm telling you right now, I am super, super happy with this P&S Brake Buster. Just look at this tire. It's done an amazing job cleaning this tire. This rubber looks super good. And the wheel, this wheel is not dirty at all. Super shiny and clean. The wheel looks so good. I'm thinking I might have just found a new wheel and tire cleaner. Here's the front one. Here's the back one that we haven't cleaned. Just for a quick comparison again. And you can tell it's not even shiny. And then here's the front. The other thing, like I said, the corrosion inhibitor, this rotor is just normal looking. It doesn't have any rust. There's no like white residue like you get from a wheel cleaner or anything like that. So it does not let any surface rust build up on that rotor. Clean this tire. Absolutely amazing. I thought I was going to have to do a second coat because you could see everything that was pulling out of it, but that was just with one and scrubbing it once, and this rubber is super clean. And the tire and the wheel, the results just speak for themselves, guys. Absolutely awesome. Let me go ahead, get all the rest cleaned up real quick. I'll bring you guys in, show you all four of those just like I did. But here is a nice shot of the two. Clean, dirty, super, super awesome. Let me get them all cleaned up and I'll bring you guys back in and I'll show you. I'm gonna let these ones just air dry. I'll bring you in once they've air dried and we'll see about the corrosion inhibitor that's in it. But seeing this front one, we're not gonna have a problem with that, but we're definitely gonna check that out on the rest. Okay, they are starting to dry off. Here is the front that we just did. There is the back. Some really nice bird poop right there. I'm gonna get that taken care of real soon. Here's the back wheel. It's just air drying. As you can see, the tire and the wheel is extremely clean. Super, super happy with this product. I can't say it enough. That's the back one. We'll head over to the passenger side here. As you can see, the tire is a bit wet over here. And as you saw over there, if you were looking, the rotors, like I was mentioning, there's no white residue, not any rust. So I would definitely say there is some corrosion inhibitors in this, definitely doing their job. And the cleaning power of this on the wheels and the tires absolutely blows my mind. I can't say it enough, guys. Here is the front one. I'm just showing them all to you to show you how good of a job this stuff is done. I mean, look at this tire right here. It is dry. Of course, that's just skin oil that I rubbed on it, so it looks a little bit shinier. Wheel, extremely clean. No corrosion or anything on the rotor. Super, super happy with this product. All right, so as you guys just saw, the job that stuff is done on the tires and the wheels. Right now, I am super, super excited. I'm not even kidding when I say this. Literally, it has cut cleaning the wheels and tires, the time that it takes me, it has cut that, I would say, in half. Being able to use one product, spraying it on, getting after it, and it works so well. I will say that if you have used this and you're using on your tires and hasn't gotten to the point that you want them, I know with any kind of tire and rubber cleaner, when you're scrubbing that and those suds are that nasty brown like it was on this, really what you want to see is just white suds. So go ahead, spray it on again, scrub it up, rinse it off. That's what you want to see is white suds. That's when you know that you've pulled all the dirt out of the tires. The tires are extremely clean and free of contaminants and looking great. I only did it once on the wheels and the tires on this, as you guys saw, and I'm serious. Like, this is true excitement. I'm so happy for this product. I absolutely love this product. As you saw in the beginning of the video, this is the bottle that I was using. There is quite a bit of suds in here. So of course those suds will they'll dissolve in the fluid level and this will raise a little bit, but that is roughly how much I used. I definitely sprayed it on pretty heavy like they stated to do. That is all I used, and I am super excited with it. Filling that bottle up out of the gallon, there is how much I still have left in the gallon. Still have a lot left in the gallon. And as I was saying, I'm going to show you guys right here. This is just on Amazon. Hopefully you can see if the camera
the screen is too bright. Right there. It is $20 for a gallon. You can get the 16 ounce and a detail microfiber for $11.99. Those are on Prime. I really wish the camera, there we go. So you guys can see it right there. That's just on Amazon. I know like Detailed Image, other places has it as well. I'm giving this product 2 thumbs up. I wish I could give it more than that because it is absolutely amazing. If you've tried this product, please let me know in the comments below what you think of it, what your experiences are with it. If you have not tried this product, definitely go out, pick some up. You're not going to be disappointed with it. Personally, I absolutely love it. I can't get over it. The excitement is real because I've cut the time in half and the job. 1 chemical for the wheel and tire like I was looking for, not having to use 2, that is just really awesome to me. If there is a product that you know of that is better than this, or you feel is better than this and would like to see it reviewed, definitely drop that in the comments below as well. I take all the comments into consideration. I definitely put them into the channel because I want to produce something that you want to see. So that is my goal with this channel, and I just really want to produce content that you want to see. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you've used it, what you think about it. If you have not used it, strongly recommend. 20 bucks for a gallon, super cheap. My tire and rubber cleaner, I pay more than that for it. Yes, it works good, but this stuff, I can clean my wheels and my tires. This is a must-have product personally for me. Hopefully you guys feel the same way if you've tried it, and when you try it, if you have not, hopefully you feel the same way. I really appreciate you stopping in and checking out the video. Please remember to drop a like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, share this video with a friend, help it get out there so other people can see it if you enjoyed this review and it was helpful or informative for you. Thank you so much for stopping in and checking out this video, and I will catch you all in the next one, and until then, take care.